Can I use Venmo to buy gift cards? Intro. Hey there, and welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in the comments. Can I use Venmo to buy gift cards? Now, while Venmo is a great way to send and receive money between friends and family, it's not quite as versatile as some other payment methods. So, let's break down why you might or might not be able to use Venmo to snag those gift cards. The short answer, it depends. The short answer is, it depends. While Venmo doesn't have a direct feature to purchase gift cards, there are a few workarounds that might work for you. Method 1. Peer-to-peer transactions. One common method is to use Venmo for a peer-to-peer transaction. Here's how it works. Find a friend or family member who's willing to help. Ask them to purchase the gift card using their own credit or debit card. Use Venmo to send them the money for the gift card. Once they have the gift card, they can either give it to you directly or send you a picture of the code. This method is simple and straightforward, but it does rely on having someone you trust who's willing to help. Method 2. Using Venmo to pay a business. In some cases, you might be able to use Venmo to pay a business that sells gift cards. However, this isn't always possible, as not all businesses accept Venmo payments. To check if a business accepts Venmo, you can visit their website or social media pages. Look for a list of accepted payment methods. Call or email the business to inquire. If you find a business that accepts Venmo, you can use the app to make a payment and receive the gift card in return. Method 3. Using Venmo to purchase gift cards online. Another option is to use Venmo to purchase gift cards online. Some online retailers allow you to pay with Venmo as a payment method. To find online retailers that accept Venmo, you can search for gift cards Venmo online. Check the payment options on popular online retailers' websites. Use a cashback rewards website to find retailers that offer Venmo as a payment option. Things to consider. Before you try any of these methods, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. Some methods might involve fees, such as Venmo's transaction fees or fees charged by the business you're dealing with. Security. Always be cautious about sharing your personal information or financial details online. Terms of service. Make sure you understand the terms of service for Venmo and any other services you use. Alternatives to Venmo. If you're unable to use Venmo to buy gift cards, there are other options available. Some popular alternatives include PayPal. PayPal is similar to Venmo and offers many of the same features. Cash App. Cash App is another popular peer-to-peer payment app. Google Pay. Google Pay allows you to send and receive money, as well as make purchases online and in-store. Apple Pay. Apple Pay is a mobile payment service that can be used to make purchases online and in-store. Conclusion. So, can you use Venmo to buy gift cards? The answer is yes, but it's not always straightforward. By understanding the different methods and considering the factors involved, you can determine the best approach for your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.